Hi, this is Shiju from Rieco. I have a Riloc here. This is Rieco's new easy access rotary airlock valve. The rotary airlock valve are generally used in bulk solid handling to feed, discharge, airlock and isolation of various process requirements. The valve consists of a multi-vane rotor inside a housing, enclosed by two end covers. The rotor are held on a bearing on outboard. The gear motor provides necessary drive power. The valve's rotor assembly can be accessed from either side of the valve by unscrewing the knobs. On top of the rotor access from either side of the valve, Riloc allows easy removal of rotor from the valve for cleaning it outside the valve. Radius pockets on rotor is for sanitary food grade options. Once the valve is cleaned, it is ready to assembly using some special tools that comes along with the valve. Rotary valves are specially designed for sanitary food and pharmaceutical industries, which offers very less maintenance. The special shafts engagement allows easy engagement and dismantle of rotor assembly to the drive shaft. These valves are made in-house with world-class manufacturing technology, specifically made with high-precision machinery, ensuring to build top-class quality products. With 45 years of Rieco's experience in bulk soldering handling, the valve is innovatively designed and tested in-house. Rieco delivers the most reliable product performance. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.